Hey team, here's a quick video on what to do and what to say and how to orientate your clients on day 2 of their challenge or their nutrition orientation. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to open up the orientation script the day before. Make sure to text them to confirm them. Very important. This is the exact text I want you to send. Hi, it's Ackley, your transformation coach. Patrick has told me amazing things about you. See you tomorrow, September 15, 2 p.m. for your orientation over Zoom. Please create an account at our website, www.ptforum.com/members, to access your cookbook and your recipes. And here's the Zoom link. Please confirm. Okay? And then when you jump on the call, give them a quick call. Make sure that the Zoom is working properly. And then when you're on the Zoom call, this is the script that I want you guys to follow. You don't have to follow it word for word. It just kind of highlights the flow of how the conversation is going to go. So for example, hey Susan, thanks for taking time out of your busy day to jump on the call with me today. Build a little bit of small talk. How's your day going so far? How's your weekend? How are your kids? How are your family? Perfect. So today's agenda, what we're going to be going over is I'm going to be setting you up on your nutrition, your exercises, answer all your questions, so then you can see results quickly. Okay. I just want to quickly recap your goals. The goals that you set with Patrick last day over the phone is you wanted to get from 200 pounds to 150, burn off all the belly fat so you can fit into your green emerald dress. Is that right? Perfect. And how you can find their goals is you're going to head over to the program or to their Trainerize account. You go to view profile, and then the salesperson or myself is going to put their goals right here. Okay, so you can see right now, for example, this is Tatiana. Tatiana, she's 250 pounds. She wants to get to 170. It's been a challenge for her. She feels lost. She's stressed out, bad nutrition. Her mother has diabetes. She wants to keep up with her kids. She wants to look good with her pictures. She wants to wear something cute for her partner. And she has a friend's wedding coming up. So just recap her goals really quick. Hey Tatiana, just want to quickly recap your goals. Patrick's told me right now you want to get from 250 to 170 pounds. You want to burn off all the belly fat. You want to keep active for your kids. You want to look great in your food and your pictures. Yeah, and you want to fit into your East Indian size small dress for your wedding. Is that right? Okay, perfect. And then the next over here, you can open up back to the orientation script. And then I sent you a link yesterday to create an account on our members area. Did you get a chance to set that up? Okay, perfect. So let's open that up. I'm going to go to www.ptforum.com/members. And at this point, I'm going to share my screen with them. I'm going to log in. And then I'm going to walk them through the program. Okay, so very important to make sure that you know if they're coming to a group class or they're doing just YouTube videos. So for her, she is not doing any YouTube videos. She's just going to do a 1 hour workout. Okay, so oops, open up my screen again. So there's 4 tabs over here. You have your nutrition seminar. Every week we have a different nutrition topic. This week we're talking about creating a custom food list. If you join our group classes, we're going to be doing this live with you. Next is the nutrition intro pack. The first tab is where you can download your cookbook here. So we have a weight loss cookbook, vegetarian cookbook, and a NASM's cookbook. All of these recipes are geared towards helping you lose weight. They're portioned out properly for you. Go through them, pick a few recipes that resonate with you, print it out, put it on your fridge. Next are a series of 7 videos that I want you to watch. Make sure to watch all the videos. It's going to lay a foundation for your nutrition so then you can lose weight quickly. Next are our Zoom live coaching calls. Next is our Zoom live training session. So Perform and Transforms, the ones that we do as a company. And for example, let's just say they're booked in like Tuesdays and Thursdays at 6 p.m. So I would remind them, okay, so I have you scheduled Tuesdays at 6 p.m., Thursdays at 6 p.m. These classes are going to be mandatory. So very important that you come. If you do not come, very important that you give us a 24-hour notice to avoid a no-show fee. Okay. Other than that, all the other classes you're welcome to come to as bonus. You just click on the class, come 5 minutes early, and you're ready to go. Next is the shared virtual training session. These are led by other companies and other trainers. We partnered with them to give you a list of like 8 different classes to choose from, ranging from bootcamp, HIIT, CrossFit, strength training, kickboxing, and yoga. Okay. Next are our success coaching calls over here. You're going to be meeting other people in the program as well. What works better for you? We can do in the morning at 9 a.m. or in the evening at 5:30, and then you book them in, and then you're going to join class over here and then add it on the schedule. So that's pretty much it for the members area. Do you have any questions? Boom. No? Okay, good to go. Next, let's open up your My Accountability app. So they have their app open over here. Okay, perfect. So on their end, they're going to see 4 tabs. They're going to see, let me open it up here. You're going to see 4 tabs. You're going to see Dash, Program, Calendar, and more. Let's go over to your Dash, and then under Things to Do, under Things to Do, you should see a few videos that I have programmed out for you. Okay, so here, Tatiana, for example, you're going to go to, open her up, go over to her dashboard. And then you'll see I have 4 videos to do for Tatiana. So make sure you open it up, follow along to the video. If you need to take breaks, you can. And then when you're finished, you're just going to hit Save Video so I know you completed it. Okay. Next over here is the Take Progress photo. It's under your dashboard things to do today. So make sure you take a before picture so that when you lose the 50 pounds, you can have a nice after picture. Okay. And then track body stats. The only stat I want you to track is just your weight. Okay. Next, let's go over to your program. And then under program, you're going to see meal plan. Okay. Let's open up your meal plan. And then you're going to explain them the meal plan over here. Explain to them their meal plan. So go over to meal plan. And let's go over really quick. So over here, I want you to zoom into the top half of the first page. You're going to see meal plan. It's categorized and is color-coded to make your life easy. Veggies is green. A serving of veggie is a fist. A serving of protein is a palm. A serving of carb is a scoop. And then a serving of fat is a thumb size. Okay. You can, for vegetables, you can have anything on this list. Broccoli, cauliflower, spinach, kale, cucumber, zucchinis, bell pepper, celery, onion, mushroom, cabbage, lettuce. The things that I have crossed off are more your starchy or high carb vegetables. Okay, so try not to have these under the vegetable category. So we want to avoid like potatoes, corn, squash, pumpkin, beets, peas, eggplants as your vegetables. Okay. Next is the protein. A serving is a palm size. You can have chicken breast, turkey breast, pork loin, lean steak, salmon, white fish, shellfish, egg whites, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese or firm tofu. Things to avoid is like your processed meats, so your burger, your sausage, your bacon, your corned beef, hot dogs, pepperonis, etc. Next is carbs. You're going to have a scoop. Fruits and berries are great. Anything whole grain, brown rice, quinoa, sweet potato, yams, steel cut oats, beans, lentils, chickpeas. Those are all fantastic options. Things to avoid is like your bad carbs, like your cakes, your cookies, your pastries, your donuts. And then lastly, you have your fats. We're actually going to keep our fats down to a minimum because they are dense in calories. I only want you to have 1 serving, and it's going to be the size of your thumb. Okay? So nuts, peanut butter, chia seeds, flax seeds, avocado, olive oil, cheese, egg yolks, etc. Next, you're going to see 3 circular plates, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Breakfast and lunch are going to be exactly the same. You're going to have a serving of green, a serving of blue, and a serving of red. And then you would ask them, can you remind me again what is blue, green, and red, so then they know, and how much I want you to have. Okay, so, and then the client would say, okay, so green would be vegetables, a fist, blue would be palm, protein, and then red is scoop carbs. Okay, perfect. And then you would ask them, if you were to build a perfect lunch, what might that look like? So build a perfect lunch for them so you know exactly, so that you know they understand exactly what you want from them. Okay. The next question is, okay, what do you notice that's different about dinner? Have them say it to you. Yeah, so there's a 0 for carbs. So I want you to have no carbs for dinner. The reason for this is because you have too much carbs at night and you don't burn it off. It gets stored really quickly as fat. So you can have more veggies, have more protein, but avoid the carbs at dinner time. Have your carbs at breakfast and lunch. Make sense? Perfect. Next is the supplements. I refer everyone over to Prestige Labs. One of the reasons I really like Prestige Labs is because they're made by all natural ingredients. They're stimulant-free, vegan-friendly, and gluten-friendly. I'll recommend a few things at the end. So make sure you validate Prestige Labs, and at the end, we're going to be upselling them on a few supplements to help them lose weight quicker. Alright, go over to page 2 and you're going to see weekly grocery helper. You're pretty much going to be buying vegetables and protein on a week-to-week basis. Veggies, you're going to pick 4 to 6 different types of veggies, eat about 1 pound a day, and you're going to buy 7 pounds, and that'll last you the whole week. Protein, pick 3 proteins. 2 pounds is going to be for breakfast, 2 pounds for lunch, 2 pounds for dinner for the week. So you're going to need about 6 pounds for the whole week. carbs and fats usually don't go bad, so just pick a few options and then buy it in bulk. My bag of brown rice probably lasts me more than 6 months. Next is the cooking method. You can bake, steam, boil, grill, or barbecue. Very important not to deep fry. Very important also not to pour your oil or drizzle your oil because it's very dense in calories. I want you to use a Pam spray or your oil mister instead. Do you have a Pam spray at home? Perfect. I want you to start using a Pam spray. And if they say they don't want to use a Pam spray, you would explain it to them. Like a thumb size of olive oil is 100 calories. You know, a palm size of chicken breast is also like 100 calories. So if you have 2 thumbs of olive oil, that's going to be double the amount of calories as your chicken breast. Right? So very important when you're cooking your chicken breast, use a spray, and that's literally 5 calories, and you're saving 95% of your calories just from switching to a spray alone. So make sure you explain that to them. Next is your sauces, spices, and drinks. These are all 0 calories. You can have as much as you want. Hot sauce, soy sauce, mustard, vinegar, lemon juice. Things to avoid is things that are white and creamy. So for example, your butter, your margarine, your creams, your mayonnaise, your Caesar dressing. If you do like the white creamy texture, just have Greek yogurt instead. You'll notice that spices, there's nothing crossed off. That's because all spices are 0 calories, so you can have as much as you want. And then drinks, the only drinks I want you to have is water, plain tea, and plain coffee. Very important not to drink your calories. Okay? And then next, I'm going to get you to print this off and then put on your fridge. Okay? Is this something that we can do consistently? They would say yes, perfect. And then I would address, you know, if you're having any challenges or struggles, I don't expect you to be perfect. Just try your best, and I'm here to help you along the way, and we can modify things as we go. Sound fair enough? Perfect. Next, let's go ahead and go to your calendar. So I'm going to click your calendar, and this is exactly what I have highlighted for you, okay, over the next 21 days. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you're going to be joining our class at 7 a.m. Tuesday, Thursday, you're going to be doing a abs, arms, and legs workout. Sunday is a stretch day. And then Saturday is exactly the same as Tuesday and Thursday. Okay, very important when you finish your video workout to save it. Okay, if you don't save it, it tells me you didn't do it, and if you don't do it, do your daily workouts more than 2 or 3 days, I will call you as part of your follow-up. Okay. Perfect. Next, do you see that floating icon with my picture on it? I want you to click it. This is where you're going to be sending me all your food pictures. So again, I want you to take a picture of all your food, be brutally honest, and then every day send me all your food pictures. If you forget to take a food picture, no problem. Just write me a description of what you had. Okay? In addition, every morning, take a picture of your weight. Okay, and then you're going to send me your weight picture. Keep in mind though, when you're weighing yourself every day, your weight will fluctuate. Some days it's going to be higher or lower based on your hydration level, your food consumption, your bowel movements, your stress levels, your menstrual cycle, all right? So we're going to take the average for the week compared with the previous week, and what you'll notice that the weight is slowly going to go down, okay? Just like your exercises, if you miss 2 or 3 days without sending me stuff, I will call you to follow up. So make sure to communicate with me if you're having any type of struggle. We want you to see success. Okay. When you ask me questions on the app, I typically respond about 24 hours. Saturday and Sundays are my off days, so I'm gonna get back to you first thing Monday morning. Anything about scheduling, you're welcome to call or text me for a faster response. Everything else, just ask me on the app. Okay. Perfect. So next, you're gonna go to exit out of this screen. On your end, the bottom right hand side, you can see those 3 buttons says more. Click those 3 buttons, scroll all the way up, and then just take a quick profile picture. Very important to get them to take a quick profile picture so you know who they are. Oftentimes when we're messaging them, we forget who they are, so that picture is just a good reminder when you see them in person, and then you can identify exactly who they are. If they're like, oh, is anyone gonna see it, or I'll do it later, just say I'll get you to take a picture right now, and you can always swap it out later. Fair enough? Okay, perfect. So that's everything about the app. Do you have any questions for me? Perfect. And then you would set the stage for the supplement sale, okay? So people that get the best results, they send me all their food pictures. People that get the best results, they do their daily workouts. And then also people that get the best results, they take the recommended supplements, okay? So I'm going to recommend a few supplements here for you. And the reason we recommend the supplements is because nobody wants to work twice as hard to get half the results. So let's go over a few of the questions, okay? Perfect. And then let's go over the supplement sale in the next video.